Hey y'all, this is Jen with Sassy Southern Incy Girl, and I have a product review for you guys. So I was contacted by this company that has this product on Amazon, and they asked me if I wanted to try it out. Sorry, I'm looking for it. So the company is the Saker store, S-A-K-E-R. And they asked me if I wanted to receive the 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, wireless handheld mini for car, multifunctional brushless motor, 12,000 PA high power with USB, portable for keyboard cleaning, outdoor, and pet hair. And it is listed right now for $51.99. Sorry about that. So, they sent me this for free, as I was saying. Sorry, my daughter came home and I had to had to pause. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this, and then in the next part I'll show you how it works and my honest opinion of it. So you get all these goodies here. And it comes with nicely packaged with a little bag to store it in. So that's pretty cool. And let's see here. Let me pull up. It's HEPA friendly 3-in-1 multifunctional vacuum cleaner. Equipped with 3 different types of nozzles to meet all your daily cleaning needs. It can not only be used as a vacuum cleaner for daily cleaning of house, vehicle, and pet hair, but also as an air pump for inflating life rings or life jackets, and as a vacuum pump for storing bags and other purposes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Has the filter. Let's see. Adopts brushless motor, which can run smoothly, prolong the service life in the machine, and give you a better use experience. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with 2 HEPA filter elements, one of which is a fine steel filter element, which looks like it's that one. The material is of high quality, not easy to damage, and can be used repeatedly. It's Saker, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Cordless vacuum cleaner is small and lightweight, which makes it easy to store and can be taken anywhere, and the powerful suction also ensures quick waste removal, making it the perfect choice for home and outdoor use. It has a high suction power of 12,000 PA, provides the fastest and most thorough cleaning, effortlessly removing pet hair, dust, dirt, and more, cleaning every nook and cranny, multi-usage scenarios. It has 3 different uses and can be used in a variety of scenarios. You can use it to clean the snack crumbs accidentally dropped by eating in the car. You can also clean your pet's carpet hair at home. It can also be in the car at any time when you go to outdoor activities for you to provide the corresponding help, such as swim ring and the balloon. And while putting away clothes, it can be used as the compression bag pump. So looks like you can rinse the filter in water. It has a Type-C cable. The indicator is red when charging is in progress, and the indicator green means charging is completed. Vacuum pumping to compress the volume of items. So if your vacuum is running low, the green button will start to blink. So it's an air duster, blow away dust from hard to clean crevices, a vacuum cleaner, a vacuum sealer, and an air blower, inflating objects. The step to use Model 1 and Model 4, Model 2, Model 3. I don't know what model this is. Does it say? Make. I don't think it says what model. Okay, so anyway, let's get into the, so this is the piece to inflate stuff, I believe. Yeah, short blowing nozzle. Fine steel element filter. Fine steel filter element. This is the long and flat suction mouth and brush. So we have this piece, and you can put this, how does this work? Oh, okay, so you have this piece that this can go on, I guess, yeah. So you have this little brush, or you can just use this part. This is the multifunction air blower, which I think, I'm not sure where it goes. This should have another piece, but I don't. I think I'm missing some pieces. So this is the floor brush. I think I'm supposed to have another little brush. This is the floor, the piece that goes on the floor. And then this is the actual vacuum. I may have to message them because I don't. And then this is the, before use, please fully charge and press long for 3 seconds to start up. So this is what it looks like. It has the filter already in there. Please clean the filter. It has this piece. I'm trying to see, how do you empty it? And then this is the USB. So let's see. Please read the manual. Yeah, I'm missing a piece. So there's supposed to be a round piece that goes on top of this. I would brush like this. Oops, but a round one, it's missing. Unless I dropped it, which is possible. Yeah, pipe blowing round brush. I don't have that piece. So you get the machine, the floor brush, the stainless steel filter screen, storage bag, air extraction nozzle, which is this, the USB charging cable, short blowing nozzle, flat suction brush, long flat suction, pipe blowing round brush. So I have the pipe, but there's no brush. And the long blowing pipe. Oh, the pipe blowing round brush is missing, but there's the long blowing pipe. Okay, so definitely missing a piece. Okay, tells you how to charge it. Usage. Okay, to disassemble, rotate the dustbin counterclockwise. Ah, okay. So you turn it, you pull this out and clean it, dump it out, clean it. You can rinse this if you need to. Then that goes back in there. And then and pop it back on. Okay. Take out the HEPA filter dust screen and pour the garbage into the trash. Clean the hair and dust with a flat brush. So you can use this brush to clean it also. The dust cap can be cleaned with a slightly wet rag or disposable paper towel. The filter screen can be washed with water. After washing, it must be completely dried before reuse, which makes sense because you don't want the dirt sticking to the wet. The refined steel filter screen has unlimited number of cycles, more than 1 year, and the white paper filter screen is recommended to replace in 2 to 3 months. Cleaning HEPA frequency 2 to 3 times a week. So this one you can use for indefinitely, and this one they recommend 2 to 3 months. Okay, then it's also in German, which is cool. So it must be a German shop. But I do need to message them and let them know that I'm missing the little round brush. That's a bummer. And so the second half of this video will be me showing you how it works in my car. I'm going to actually use it in my car. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're trying out my little vacuum. So I'm supposed to hold this down for 3 seconds to turn it on. And that is low gear mode. That's high gear mode. And then that shuts it off. So you press it, hold it down for 3 seconds to turn to low. Short press 1 time for high. And then short press again for off. So we are going to try this. So this is a little mess my kids did in the car. So that's pretty good. That's stains. Alright, so let's try right here. Hold on. Okay, so I put the skinny piece on it because I'm going to get in these cracks. I'm going to put it on high mode. Sorry, it's hard to hold my phone and do this at the same time. I mean, it works pretty good, I'm not going to lie. It's getting a little bit, that's like stuck, but it's getting it good. Alright, let's try something bigger. Oh yeah. So these are leaves and grass from soccer. Let me focus. There we go. Oh yeah. So this is pretty nifty, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to get that big leaf. But it's picking up all this little stuff. Alright. Oh, it just sucked that leaf up. So let me show you. All the debris goes in there. And you just take that off like I showed you in the beginning of the video. And you can rinse off the filter if you need to. Oh, that leaf is stuck. Okay. Also, let me get this little bit here. So it's good for vacuuming like dust and like, let's try down in here in my little gear thingy. See all that stuff that's down in there from eating in the car? Wait, let's put it back on high. So it's getting some of it. Let's try right here. Oops. So down in here, let me pull up my, and there's, oh, that was French fry. Then there's different attachments I can use. Like there's a carpet one. This is great. It's getting in the crevices of this little thing. Alright, so let's try the air blower thing, because I have stuff down in there that I would like to just blow out of there, and like down in this little thing. So let me find the little air blower piece. I can't remember what piece that is. Let's see. Little piece. So this is also where that this would come in handy. This brush for this these sections here, because it would loosen, you know, some of this stuff in here. Yeah, I think this is the air blower, but I don't know how it goes on. Okay, short blowing nozzle for inflation, long blowing nozzle for dust blowing. So let's take this one off. It's hard. Hold on, I'm gonna put you on hold. Okay, so the inflator and the air blower go on the opposite side of the vacuum. So let me turn this on again. So that's pretty cool. You can use it to like blow dust. You can blow dust out of stuff, and it's pretty good pressure. You can see it blowing on my shirt. So overall, I'm very impressed. I like this little gadget. I don't have anything to inflate. Oops, some stuff just fell out of that hole. I don't have anything to inflate, but if I did, I would show you guys. So again, here's the little set, and I definitely recommend this, guys. 2 thumbs up, but I can only show 1 thumb because I'm filming. So thank you to Saker for reaching out to me to try this. I really, really like it. It works really good, and I would definitely purchase this. So yeah, y'all go check it out. The link will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind, y'all. Bye.